as a triangle, all right? And we have Jaden with us, and he's going to be helping you at home learn a little bit more about this. All right, so let me have a draw. All right, okay, so let's go for that square one first, all right? Now, in the exam, you will kind of get a number on the side that will say, give me a number. There you go.
4.
4, great. Now, if it's like an equilateral square like this one, what that will mean is you know that every side of this is the same height and length sort of thing, all right? So you just put a 4 on top of that, and then all you do to find the area of this square is you times them together. So it'll be 4 times 4. And what does 4 times 4 equal?
16.
Exactly. So what is the area of this square?
16.
Really good. Now the final thing to note is, what you'll probably do is it will look like this, it will have centimetres on top of them as well. So the actual answer would be 16 centimetres squared. Alright, does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's go to a triangle, and then we'll get you doing it all on your own, and you viewers at home can do that for yourself as well. So let's go for a triangle now, okay?
Yeah.
Now with this triangle, let's say the bottom, give me a number.
6.
6, why not? And then I'll say 5 on top, okay? Now, what you do is a little bit like the square, you just times these two together. So it goes 6 times 5, so what's that?
30.
Good, and then what you do, the only thing that's a little bit different is you now half that number. So it will go 30 divided by 2 equals, so what's half of 30?
50.
Good. And just remember, is it centimetres squared or centimetres, or just 15?
Centimetres squared.
Very good. So it would look like that as the end result. So it'd be 15 centimetres squared. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
All right, now you can do it on your own. So let's give you a square, and I'm going to give you a number of 5 for that one. And then put centimetres so you can do it. And then triangle, let's give you a 7 and a 3. Okay, and put these as centimetres and centimetres. Now, you've got to work out, and you can put your working wherever you want, okay?
Okay.
But that is it. See if you viewers at home can do it before Jaden does. Let's go. Hey, good. And then is it just 20, is it just 10.5 or is it 10.5 centimetre squared? Really good. Thank you so much for watching another maths tutorial here today. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.